I will speak plainly about Operation Restore Legas because too many people speak about it in their purely celebratory or purely um, condemnatory terms, and neither captures what actually happened or what it means for the question before us. Sabina Mashuka Mdanyo Kapango Chinzi, November 2017, what the ZDF did and why it matters. There was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Retired General Winston Skawakima Branga Mdanyo the ZDF intervened in November 2017 because the institutional instinctive of the professional military recognized that the institutional order was being systematically dismantled, not from outside by an insurgency, but from inside by a faction that had captured the party apparatus and was using it to destroy every check on its own power. The targeting of senior military officers under the guise of factional politics, the systematic removal of liberation war credentials from succession calculus, the elevation of a generation of political actors whose loyalty was personal rather than institutional. These were not abstract concerns, they were concrete threats to the constitutional framework that the ZDF exists to protect. What matters for this argument is not politics of who benefited. What matters is that it was General Chiwenga who read the situation correctly, who assessed the institutional threat with the clarity of the commander who, yes, been trained to distinguish between tactical noise and strategic deterioration, who made the decision that a professional military officer makes when the chain of command between duty and constitutional order is threatened. He did not act for personal gain, he acted for institutional responsibility. A man who acts from institutional responsibility under extreme pressure when the personal risks are real and the outcome is uncertain is a man whose character has been tested at the highest level. General Chiwenga passed the test. Neither of his predecessors was ever tested at that level, and the current administration, which owes its existence to the decision, is consistently failed the test for far less demanding. General Chiwenga read the situation correctly and acted from institutional responsibility. A man who does that order under extreme pressure has been tested at the highest level he passed. Doma developments are pangwa in pamusoro pe the 2017 military transition. Pana comment section menus of futa email kudipa pamusoro pe chitwa ichi. Uzana subscribe or like chitwa on the bell icon.